Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coralie and today is the first day I'm actually filming in my setup. Today we're just gonna do makeup, we're gonna chill, I'm gonna deliver and you guys are just gonna learn and deliver while I'm delivering. So before we start anything, I'm gonna take my Joe Fresh Essential Lip Oil. This is in the scent Pomegranate. It's really good. And hopefully you don't see my mirror. Oh, it's fine. Just needed to make sure. Just gonna moisturize my lips. Like so. This is not a chit chat get ready with me, by the way. I'm just gonna be like very straightforward to the point because listen, I woke up like maybe like an hour ago. Today I want to do something green because why not? As you guys can see, I've patted in my concealer. So today I want to go for something a little green. Therefore, I'm gonna put up the pants. You know, Morphe 35O and Morphe 35B. Actually, Morphe 35B has been discontinued. My bets are that Morphe is literally just gonna come out with a better formula for the 35B, which is quite interesting because I really enjoy the 35B palette. If you haven't seen my review, you can check. Is it right here? Come on, what is it gonna be? Yes, you can check right here. I believe you can check right here. Maybe it's right here. Like who knows? But you're gonna be able to check out my review of the Morphe 35B. It's an amazing palette, by the way. I live. So yes, let's get it poppin'. To prime and to cover up my brows, I use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Neutralizer. You know, just the yellow. I love this to prime because it becomes sticky. See, I'm not gonna go with like a full-blown green. I'm gonna take this little like pukey shade. I've been loving green looks lately. I don't know why. Like when the look hasn't come together yet, pukey green is ugly. It looks low-key like an army green, like on the camera or even in the mirror right now I'm looking at. It's pretty. To blend out the puke green shade, I'm gonna take this shade right here. So I'm blending the previous shade using this motion, like just back and forth, but also circular, like slightly. My best advice is to go back and forth. So always add more of the pukey color and then blend it out again. And the reason why you want to do that is because you don't want the intensity to go away. Often when you blend shadows, especially with another shadow that's lighter, you're gonna lose a little bit of the intensity that you had, which means that, you know, all of that hard work for nothing. We don't do hard work for nothing, okay? Okay, however that looks on camera right now, it is blended. I'm really proud of myself. So to deepen up my crease a little tiny little bit, I'm gonna take the Morphe 35B. You know guys, you know guys. You guys know I love this one, and I'm gonna take this deep forest green shade. We're gonna pack it in the deepest depths of the crease. The dark green is really gonna give us the green tint we've been missing a little bit for a green look. Like I don't want to do a typical green look when I just use like all green shades, you know, but something with a little more depth, and this is offering it to me. So I'm gonna go back and forth with this dark forest green, intensifying it, making sure it's in all the places I want it to be, and yeah, take a little bit of the pukey green and the other shade, and I'm just gonna blend out all the edges. So today we're not cutting the crease like I would usually do, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the shade from the Morphe 35O, this one right here, which is a beautiful metallic bronze shade. Yes, I'm playing that right. And in the center, I'm gonna pat this beautiful green shade right here. But I'm gonna do it all with my fingers, which I never do. because because I'm just not comfortable to do that. But we're gonna pat the bronze all over the lid. Oh yes, yes, oh yes. I feel like such like a camo goddess right now, like I live. This was a good choice, wow. I feel like this is just like a very like army green tutorial, like I live. I think this is pretty. Do y'all think it is pretty? I feel like it's really cute actually. I have a bunch of fallout like right here, which is totally normal. That's why I always do my eyes before. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I will be right back. I am back. Both eyes are done. I haven't put my lashes on yet because I'm lazy and I don't want to put them on. But I primed my face using the Benefit Professional primer. Yes, Coralie, it's a primer, come on. For foundation, I'll be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, my favorite. I'm so excited. Like, I was doing my other eye and I was watching Jackie Aina's video, the one with the product she did with Too Faced, well, the product's the foundation. And I want a Too Faced foundation now. For concealer, I'll take my e.l.f. Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. You see how all my shades are like beige? It's like sun beige, pure beige. I'm also on the verge of running out of this, which, can we not run out of this, please? Thank you. When we get close to the eye, I'm gonna do something a little differently. The reason why I'm not using my beauty blender is because I need to buy myself a new one. And I need to go, like, I'll go. I just don't know when. And I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 20 Light Medium. Maybelline's loose powders are like so awesome. It's actually insane. I live. Like, Maybelline does such a great, like, oh wow. Maybelline does such a great job with all their complexion products. Like, they really did that. Now with a smaller brush, well, no, a bigger brush actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and tap the powder all over my skin. Make sure it's set. I'm one of those people who really likes their makeup to be set. Like, I don't play around with like not setting my face. Come on. Oh, this smells good. Did I spray some perfume on it? Oh no, my god, my brush has perfume on it. What? Why does it have perfume on it? It smells really good. It's the Paco Rabanne, or I don't know how you say it. It's the Lady Million. The original one, I guess. Wow, this smells... It smells so good, but I don't feel like I should be putting like perfume on my face. Oh well. I have to wash my brushes tonight, but yes! Oh wow, full coverage. Who is she? This is the Super Glitters glitter in the shade Mint Julep. It's a, or you can see it, it's a holographic glitter. This is stunning. It's a holographic glitter, and I'm gonna use my NYX Glitter Glue right here, which has holographic packaging. I'm crazy. Christine, what have you done with me? And I'm gonna put that right on the lower inner corner right here because I'm kind of missing a little bit of spark. Wow, I love it. I live for the little like spark it gives. Like, do you see this? Taking my e.l.f. blush palette, I'm just gonna take, let me show you, this is hard. I'm just gonna take the warmest shade right here and I'm gonna blush my cheek. Ooh, yes. I love this because it's kind of orangey, so it's gonna match with those tones really well. Never forget, blush the nose. I know it sounds like really dumb in theory and just like really like extra, like why, you know? I'm pretty sure my brother sprayed perfume on these brushes because they would not smell this good. Like they wouldn't smell bad either. But like that's some fishy, okay. Guys, I don't remember if you know, not back in the day, but like not recently either. what's her name? JD Wadey. No, it was Ayla Sarahi. She came out with her nose contouring routine, and that was only her nose contouring routine, which I was so shocked. I'm taking the same Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter. I was like, what you mean? That was only your nose contouring routine? Like, it was like a 15-minute long video, and like her nose was glam. We're taking MAC Taupe lipstick. I love this lipstick. It's like my everyday lipstick. And then we just put this like right on top and we like mix it. I'm gonna wait for this lip to dry and then I'm gonna put on the Kiss corset lashes. Don't they look low-key like Miami? Anyway, so I'm gonna put these lashes on and I will be right back. And I'm back, guys, a million years after. We got them lashes on. We got the full beat. I'm sorry, I'm feeling myself a little too much. Like, it's what usually happens when I do my makeup. I just start feeling myself for no reason whatsoever. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you like me, my personality, or the content I put right up on YouTube, then feel totally free to subscribe to my channel, because let's just have a family. Let's be part of the family. We recently hit 100 subscribers. So let's get ourselves to 200, am I right? Don't forget to also follow me on all my social media, such as Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I mean, Snapchat? I don't go on Snapchat anymore. Like I don't really go on Snapchat anymore. Just because it hasn't been of much interest to me, to be honest. I don't know. I guess we'll see. But I'll have all the links in the description box below. You can follow me there, at me, DM me. I respond to my DMs, so you know. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, this little like low-key like army green. It's like a soft army green glam. Like I was almost gonna cut my crease and I was like, Coralie, you cannot cut your crease again. Like, this is not normal. You need to stop. So I decided not to cut my crease. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you did appreciate, and I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye.